Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me device with the Android 14 on the board, and now I'm gonna show you how to record screen on the Android 14 operation system. To do it, you just need to open the control panel and find the screen recorder feature here. If you don't have the screen recorder feature in your control panel, you need to click on the pencil button, scroll down, and here you can find your screen recorder feature. And you need to remember you have recorder and screen recorder. So recorder is just normal recorder, but screen recorder recording your screen, not the voice only. And great, so as you can see here, I have my screen recorder feature here. So now we can click on the arrow button to set it up. So did you want to show touches on screen? I don't want, for example. Device audio, so from where we will record the sounds, the audio. So for example, you can record from the microphone, from the device only, or device and microphone. So it will record the sounds from my smartphone and from me. Okay, click start, and 3, 2, 1. Great, now screen is recording, and to stop recording we need to open the control panel and click stop. Great! Now we can open the gallery or just click on this message to see and to stop to see our recordings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.